Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS CloudWatch agent for server monitoring step by step clearly. To update the AWS CloudWatch agent for server monitoring, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard to find the instance where the CloudWatch agent is installed. Connect to your instance using SSH if you are using a Linux instance. For Windows instances, use Remote Desktop Protocol to access the server. Once connected, check the current version of the CloudWatch agent installed on your server. For Linux, you can run the command sudo Amazon CloudWatch agent ctls status to view the version. For Windows, navigate to the Services application and find the Amazon CloudWatch agent service to check the version. Next, visit the official AWS documentation to find the latest version of the CloudWatch agent compatible with your operating system. After noting the version, decide whether to update using the command line or the AWS Systems Manager. If you prefer the command line for Linux, use this command to download the latest package. Get https://s3.amazonaws.com/amazoncloudwatch-agent/ubuntu/amd64/latest. For Windows, download the latest version from the AWS S3 link and save it to your preferred location. Once the download is complete for Linux, unzip the downloaded file using unzip Amazon CloudWatch agent.zip. Next, install the package using the following command for Linux, sudo dpkgi Amazon CloudWatch agent.deb. For Windows, navigate to the downloaded folder and double-click the installer to start the installation. After the installation completes, verify that the CloudWatch agent service is running. For Linux, run sudo system status Amazon CloudWatch agent. For Windows, check the Services application again for the Amazon CloudWatch agent status. If the service is not running, start it using sudo system start Amazon CloudWatch agent for Linux. On Windows, right-click the service and select Start. Once the service is running, confirm that it is sending data to CloudWatch. You can do this by navigating to the CloudWatch console and inspecting the metrics. Finally, review your CloudWatch dashboards to ensure that the updated metrics are being displayed properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.